Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, The Document. My name is Dominique if this is your first time here, and welcome back to another freaking video. Happy Vlogmas. So we have another vlog video today, and as I told y'all, I was starting these vlogs early. So we're combining Thanksgiving and Christmas this year because I need to give myself a little bit of a head start, because I don't know how I'm gonna push out 16 videos, but we're gonna try and do it. We're posting every other day for the month of December leading up to Christmas. In today's video, we are going to be traveling home with my 2-month-old baby. We are getting ready to head to the airport today because we'll be spending Thanksgiving with family back home in Miami. And this will be the first time that my family meets my baby. I spent these first 2 months pretty much like bonding with her. Besides my friends that I have here in North Carolina, like nobody's come to see her besides like via FaceTime. And I'm kind of excited for them to meet her. I guess it was kind of like to protect her as well because she was not vaccinated or anything like that yet. So nobody really came to visit when she was first born. That is what we're gonna get into today. Our flight does not leave until late tonight. So it'll be dark by the time we get home. So we are all packed and semi-ready to go. I'm gonna feed her and then we'll probably be headed to the airport like around 4 o'clock, just so that way we can give ourselves enough wiggle room to travel in with the baby and all of that. But our flight does not leave until 6:35, I believe. And we won't get to Miami until 9 p.m. So this is pretty much a travel day. And I may combine this vlog like with another day as well, just to give some fluff to the vlog, because I ain't been doing nothing today for real. Y'all see me get my hair done in the last vlog, and it's still doing pretty good. It's still straight, but it's starting to get a little bit poofy, especially like on this side. And if I'm being honest, I really don't know how to wear my hair straight, and I really don't like how my hair looks on me straight, but I do like to get like an indicator that it's like actually growing. I mean, I don't have to straighten it to get it cut, but I just prefer to do that. I don't know why. I put on this headband because it looks, to me, my hair looks weird in the middle part, and then like it looks weird in the side part as well because I don't have bangs. So it's just like all the same length, but it's grown. It looks cute pushed back as well, but I wish I just had some curls or something. I don't know. I don't think it looks good straight, but that's just my opinion. Because if I'm being honest, I really don't do nothing to my hair. I pull it back in a ponytail and I call it a day. I want to take some flexi rods with me just so I can curl it for Thanksgiving, but I don't know. I'm super nervous about traveling with the baby. I'm just hoping and praying she don't cut up on this plane. I hope she just sleep through the whole flight, but we'll see. She's been pretty good today, because yesterday she was like really overtired and she would not go to sleep. So hopefully, I'm hoping today she sleeps throughout the plane ride and she be a good girl on the plane, because I'm already nervous about taking her up in the air. And I think it's just nerves of like fear of like not knowing, or the fear of the unknown, or the fear of doing something for the first time. Y'all stay tuned to see how I go, okay? So y'all, our plane is about to board in like the next 30 minutes. So I just wanted to come in here and give her a change and make sure she has a fresh diaper before we get ahead and get on our flight. So yeah, just wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know that. So we did fly with American Airlines. They did allow us to check a 2-part stroller and car seat for free. Anybody that has children or need extra time, they did allow us to board the plane first, regardless to what group we were in. We get to get on first, but we all the way in the back of the plane. And after watching this footage back, I should have made her bottle prior to getting on the plane. I definitely did buy the pre-portioned cups to dispense her formula, because that was very much needed. I don't have one of those. We were supposed to got on when people said if you need extra time.
Somebody know somebody sitting right here.
Since COVID, I always take my Clorox disinfectant wipes when I get on a plane because the nastiest place is the tray. So that's what y'all see me doing here. Like, I'm wiping down everything. Because everything I touch, I have to touch my baby. So I just wanted to make sure that everything was clean. I had my hand sanitizer. So yeah, if you're worried about your baby getting sick, just make sure that you take things like Lysol, because they don't be cleaning those planes. When I tell you that that tray on that plane was so dirty, it was so dirty. Excuse my cameraman, because he was not doing a good job. He was so worried about other people getting to their seat. He was not focused on what I was doing.
Close, we can head on our way to Miami. Once again, once you store your items, please step into your row to continue the boarding process. So we can head on our way to Miami. Thank you.
So we made it to our seat. I got her little headphones, and we just made her a bottle so that way we can help her regulate her ears when we take off. I was scared to take her on the plane, but she did super well. All in all, once you get the hang of it, it's not that scary, and it's a super enjoyable experience to do with your little ones. Like, don't let having a baby stop you from traveling to other places, because they deserve those experiences as well. I didn't get on my first plane until I was 19, 20 years old, and look, I get to do it with my baby at 2 months, and this is something that I can tell her once she gets older. By the grace of God, we made it to Miami safely, and that is going to conclude this video. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.